Okay, welcome to the first instructional video math lesson. Today I'm going to be reviewing strategies that you've already learned earlier this school year, and this lesson is going to help you with these pages in your packet. It's page 3 of the math section where we've got place value charts and some unit form stuff down here, and then here's the other side. There will be another separate video for using inequalities with numbers. Now, place value understanding is very important for you to understand many other concepts. But the biggest thing you need to know is the correct order of place value, all right? Which is obviously ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. That's as big as we're gonna go today. And there's different forms. You have standard form, unit form, expanded form, and word form that you need to be able to express numbers, okay? And what? No, wait till I'm done teaching and go to the bathroom. Okay. So our first number, who can read me that number? Giovanni, go ahead. 56,204. Very good, Gio. Very good, Gio. Okay. So that's our number in standard form. And the first thing we want to do is be able to put this in the correct spots in our place value chart. Now, when doing that, I would say just look at your number here and look at how many digits they have. Notice where your commas are, how many you have, okay? The first comma we'll see in any number will be in between the hundreds and thousands. And we know this is ones, 0, 10s, 200s, 6,000s, and 5 10,000s. So I'm gonna fill that in our chart. Oops, wow. Wake up, Mr. Hourigan. It's the first time for me doing this. All right, 0, 10s, 200s, 6,000s, 5 10,000s. Okay, now I'm going to put the comma here just so I don't forget. Unit form. What that basically means is you're going to identify each digit in the place value chart, and then you're going to kind of tag at the end of it what unit it has. And you're always going to start when writing in unit form, and again, this is what you're going to see down here in your sheet. I use a different number, but this should help you. You're going to start with your biggest value, which is 5 what? Let's pick a stick. Elena, 5 10,000s. Very good. So we would write 5 10,000s. Our unit is which place value spot we're in. So our unit here is 10,000s, and we have 5 of them. And then you continue from there. Next we have 6,000s. Then we have 200s. Then we have, do I have to write 0 10s? No, you don't. If there's a 0, you don't have to write anything there because we don't have anything. 0 is nothing. So we're skipping that, and then we go right to 4 ones. So that is how we would write it in unit form. Now, next is expanded form, which again, you're going to take each place value and basically write in standard form what they're worth. Again, starting with the biggest value. What is 5 10,000s worth? Well, if you're not sure, you basically can count by 10,000s 5 times. Okay, so 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, 50,000. So we're gonna write 50,000. That 5 is not 5, it's 50,000 because of where it's located in this number. So this is worth 50,000. Next, actually, when you do expanded form, you write it as an addition sentence because when you put them all together, it equals the full number in standard form. So, 50,000s. Next we have 6,000s. What is 6,000s equal to? Oh, that person's absent. That person's at a lesson. No, they're not here either. Josh. Josh, what is 6,000s equal to? 6,000. Yeah, 6,000. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000. Plus 200s, which would be 100, 200. Plus, do we have to add plus 0 because there's 0 tens? Again, no. Just leave it as nothing. And then plus 4 ones equals that number, 56,204. And word form is then exactly what it sounds like, the number written in words. I'd like you to be able to spell the words correctly, but it's not the end of the world as long as I can read it and understand what you're saying. So, you write it just as you would say it. 56,000. And you want to put a comma where in the sentence where you would put a comma for the number. So 56,204. So there is all the different ways they might ask you to express a given number. Now on the bottom section of this sheet, it says show different ways to make a number, and it has different units. Now, if I said to you, for this number, 56,204, how many thousands are there? Now, right off the jump, you might just say, well, there's 6 thousands. I know that because there's a 6 in thousands place of the place value chart. But really, there's 56 total thousands. Okay, because then, like here, for your example down here, it'll say how many thousands plus then how many hundreds. It doesn't say for your number here how many 10,000s. It just says thousands plus hundreds, and then hundreds, I'm just going to put an H for hundreds, would be 200s, and how many ones? 4. So hopefully this video can help you understand different ways to express numbers that go well into the thousands. If you have any questions on this specific topic, please leave a comment below and I'll try to answer it the best I can and as quick as I can. Thanks. Stay tuned for the next video, which will be inequalities. Thanks. Go Bills.